Hey, this is Judd with HNH Hot Rods and Horsepower. Today we are going to show you how to detail very quickly using a clay rag and what the difference between a clay rag and a clay bar is. And we're going to be using a couple different products just to kind of get the detail. So I'm going to wash the car, the whole entire car real quick, dry it off. I'm going to mask it halfway down. We're going to come back with this clay rag. We're going to use Mist and Shine as the lubricant, and then we're going to wash the whole entire car with a ceramic that I just picked up. I thought we'd try it out. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take tape and I'm going to run it right down the center, and then we're going to come back, and that way you can see the difference between what we did and what we didn't do. This clay rag is by SM Arnold. I'm spraying the Wizard on there. You can use any type of detail product, not water. Need some kind of lubricant. So what I'm doing, just going to go right down the middle. Keep it wet. I've got it nice and wet on here. And then what you're going to hear at first is you're going to hear the dirt. We just washed it, but there's all that dirt that's been collected. This car's never been waxed. It's only been washed at the dealer. It's a 2020 Impala, but it's a good car to try it on. Listen, you hear that? That's dirt. But more you wipe it, you're going away. You're gonna keep it nice and wet. The Wizard has a towel that works very well. Does not streak. It dries it as you wipe it. This is the side that we clayed. We took the tape off, and you're gonna see just a piece of paper. You can see and feel the difference. I mean, you can. So just clay ragging the car will do so much shine on your car. You can wax it and stuff like that. I was just playing around today, so I just thought I got enough time. Let's just try out some stuff, and so I just wanted to let you see the product, and see you next time. Look at that. It's kind of like Marky Mark. Waka, 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 waka. Smooth sailing. Ooh. Off the deep end.